carry you with bike, carry am go Alpha Beach. If they reach Alpha Beach, dem go come beat am to stupor. Dem beat am to stupor, dem go video am as they dey beat am. So na that one dem dey go hold. They go come tell am make him make statement with that video. Say if na thief dem accuse am put, they go say make him talk say him thief the thing for the video. You understand? After they don beat am, he don bleed. The boys go come talk for video say, na me thief this thing, I go pay back. So na that video dem go come hold for hand. Say you understand? So when they use am, they collect the boys, they go on the steady for as long as they want. Make pikin no fit sit down for where una sit down. Na don shout Ablakaya Lord, na don break egg for him head, na don put name wey the. You know, even no wan do this thing now. He say he no wan do. Why una dey put people for game? When me I go do my own book and I carry my school fees, he hungry me do am.
In this video, you are going to watch a lot of leaked videos that led to what happened to Mohbad. But before then, I want you to watch this very video that Mohbad made on his sick bed before he now passed away. This is the translation version.
Èmi nìkan mo mú kò sẹ́ni tó ní kó mú rẹ̀ o.
Wọ́n nìkan.
Wà láìpàlẹ̀ ògùn ọlọ́run tó dábí rí mi nípa ọ̀rọ̀ mo máa ń fọkàn sọ́yà lọ́ fi ṣe báyìí fún mi. Ìṣẹ́ tí mo wá dá mu wọ́n wá ní pé àyèmí o lé mi báyìí nípa èmi ò ṣe kọ́kàn náà. Èmi tó láwọn ọmọ lórí tó yẹ kí n gbọ́ pé wọn ló gbàjà mo sẹ́ẹ̀mù sínú nínú fídíò yẹn.
Mo rí gbogbo ẹ̀.
Àwọn sínú náà ní tírí. Wọ́n máa fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ wọ́n máa ní kékeré máa bọ̀ lé wípé ó ní kí èmi máa bọ̀ lé o wọ́n ní káwọn yẹn ṣì wà ń bẹ̀ so wọ́n wá trick wípé ìrọ̀lẹ́ sí i tàtà everybody fẹ́ gbé lọ́kàn sọ pé Mohbad ìrọ̀lẹ́ sí i ó yẹ tó bá yẹ kí lọ́lọ́ gbé káàkiri so kí ni ẹ̀rọ wáyé kan lè kí ni Mohbad ìrọ̀lẹ́ sí i ìrọ̀lẹ́ sí i lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ yìí.
A lot of you won't understand this Mohbad video, you just watch it. But as I explained with more videos, you are going to understand better. So first of all, Mohbad said that they gave him something to drink which is white in color and it was inside water bottle. Okay, now the question is, who is the person that gave Mohbad this strange thing that was inside bottle water to drink? It will shock you. Keep watching.
Right. People need to start appreciating the effort I put into not being a silver.
Okay, so the next video you are going to watch is going to surprise you totally, because this is a hidden secret that was hidden from social media but someone revealed it. So first of all, before I play you that video, there is one video I want to play first, and the video is about this guy you see on your screen. The person you see on your screen name is Sam Larry, and this guy is the most viral person that fans have been accusing that he has hand on what happened to Mohbad. Reason is because of when Mohbad was alive, Mohbad reported this guy to the police that after he left Malian's record label, anywhere he goes to shoot video, this guy will come and scatter everything. He included everything in this police report, because this Sam Larry of a guy you are seeing on your screen is one of Naira Marley's closest friends, and multiple videos online have shown where this guy is scattering everywhere that Mohbad is trying to shoot his music video. Reason because he left Naira Marley record label, and when Mohbad was still in Naira Marley record label, he was cool with him. Reason being that he is one of the Naira Marley best friends. So this voice call you're about to listen to is a leaked voice call, a leaked conversation, a secret conversation that was leaked online, and it's alleged to be this guy when he heard the news of that Mohbad is no more. I know a lot of you didn't understand this call. I will explain it to you right now, and I'm going to show you another video that will make you to ask yourself, do we have government in Nigeria? Like this one is Oga Patapata of them all. So first of all, let me explain this call. Okay, this is the alleged Sam Larry, and he said Sam Larry, and this person said Mohbad is now in the mortuary, swears he is gone, and he replied, all stations settled, no case to answer. Okay, watch these videos. Finally, we are here. Exposing time. This one is exposing time. The person you are seeing your left hand side is the person that came out boldly without being afraid, and he exposed a lot of things about Sam Larry, which is the alleged suspect of what happened to Mohbad. And aside from that, the second video you have seen on your right hand side is Naira Marley Signee. This one is somebody signed under Naira Marley, but is now ex-Signee. He came out boldly to share everything fearlessly. So guys, watch these videos, don't even go anywhere, because we have not even entered the Zinoliski part. That one we off you. A lot of things has happened in this short period of time that Mohbad passed. So guys, enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe to this channel, don't cost your data, and hit that bell icon. It will not cost your data, so you'll be getting more updates like this. Peace.
We dey for back. They don't beat them, they don't collect money, they don't tell and say they go and even tell anybody. So Mohbad matter for this family. Me, I don't talk say na 2 million naira me I go drop if they don't ready to fight the family illegally or by street. Either na lawyer won't give the money, they don't, if the family don't get legal team. 2 million naira me I go drop for this thing, because that Lagos na in my own investment dey. You can't have people like this in that kind of place coming to hotels to come and be carrying boys. So Aremo no fit talk this way. I know they job for me to talk say I want comot 2 million naira from inside my personal money. No be say I fit get money now. To say I want drop for this matter. Boys go talk out. Don't worry. I know if I go online for Snapchat now, I go provide more than 30 boys. They go come outside, show you how them beat them. They are beating. They go carry them go Alpha Beach. Now Alpha Beach they carry them go. In get one where in get assistance wey be they call Ogidiga. Then go carry you with bike, carry am go Alpha Beach. If they reach Alpha Beach, then go come beat am to stupor. Then beat am to stupor. They go video am as they beat am. So now that one them they go hold. They go come tell am make him make statements with that video. Say if na thief they accuse am, they go say make him talk say him thief the thing for the video. You understand? After they don't beat am, he don't bleed. The boys go come talk for video say, na me thief this thing, I go pay back. So now that video them go come hold for hand. So in case you understand. When they use them, they collect the boys, they go on the steady for as long as they want. Make pikin no fit sit down for where una sit down. No, don't shout. Ablakaya head, I don't break egg for your head. I don't put name with you. You don't want to do this thing now. He say you don't want to do. Why would they put people for game? When I go do my own book and I carry my school fees, you hungry me do am. Boy go sit down for corner and I go say I don't put am for something. Why these children? But
I was once a victim.
But this thing will come outside. Not be only this guy now. Not Mohbad small. I know what they talk. I don't just want to mention big boys' name. Egmont boys where you think say they be big boys, when no get rope for neck, when they don't get papa and mama for Lagos. All those boys where come from Songo, come Lodge. All those boys where they come from Ogun State, they don't suffer. All those Shagamu boys. If be some boys step Agege boys wey go talk say okay they reach Agege they'll go call their and they talk say Iba Jama. Say Iba Jama sef no get inclined. Iba Jama dey talk like this make I dey talk am.
Bro, no vex. So this is a lie wey dem dey shout. Na nobody. Na internet.
Me I Slavian well na bitch dey collect me money 2050.
You feel me? Omo Kepopo ni na your brother come for Germany. But me you no fit talk say you no sabi your brother now.
Let me get Germany.
So and people just dey shout. Sam Larry, me we are even there. But one bar, there's some Obama leggy. Hey, they do all this kind of thing for una. Hey, then Faragba. Okay, yes, they don't come.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi sọ fún yín gbogbo náà sọ yìí naturally. I swear to my mat where I go today, I swear on the riches wey God give me. People wey dey under Sam Larry list now past 30 wey say na inclined. If you see am, na chain you wear, they go collect your chain. Okay, now make I tell you the story wey dey between Sam Larry and Obi's gallery for you. Obi sell fake word plenty for people, then go report am to Sammy. Him do diamond give Sammy. Make Sammy come, make Obi's come and go talk am for their front. The boys go meet Obi's. Me I be Lagos boy, na get they born me now. Now why they fuck up for them? You grab boys go meet Sam Larry, say Obi's scam them, give them fake words, give them fake eyes. Instead of make Sam Larry help them collect the money, Obi's carry big diamond, do am for Sammy, the matter die. Those boys was good. Are we dey street? All those boys where they come from Ogun State, they don't suffer. All those Shagamu boys. Maybe some boys step Agege boys wey go talk say okay they reach Agege they'll go call their power man come. Boy wey come from Songo, who you wan go come they collect Kuban for inside Lekki. Now Sam Larry by himself go dey tell you say make you dey go the police station now. Him dey come and true him go reach the police station, you go shake DPO. because na him sabi them. Why all this rubbish song wey dem Naira take dey praise am say Samilarity said so Samilarity, me I no dey fear to talk because I stand well. I show you in voice note na when I hear say me I tell am say I be Benin boy, I get pikin egbon ẹ sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ pa mí, but since na all of sniper send to am say since ẹ sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ pa mí ẹgbẹ́ ẹ má worry ma wá yín ẹ pa mí, so because I no fit just take my day and you say you wan I no go make me talk something for here, no vex. So me I be Benin boy and I know as men dey operate and all my family members dey sham. Aloma say they say they dey guide Mohbad dey go show. Guiding mean say una dey fear Samilarity make you no beat am.
You don't even talk about that life.
Una suppose warn Samilarity, una go carry bike, forget all those cars, carry bike, follow am go where you no expect, stop am say guy, this Mohbad boy make you no see you and again. If him dey go south, dey go left, no get issue with us. Na don draw battle line be that, na so game take dey play, na so we know wetin my brothers dey say, dem wey be strong men o. For Benin then, if something happen to us, then my brothers go there, go warn those people. No be say my brothers go dey guide me waka, no. My brothers no dey guide me waka, my brothers go say alpha enter bike wey we dey go. If they reach here, they go tell you say see this boy so na my junior brother, you see him face mark am. If my brother dey go south, dey go left. Na so my brothers still dey play their own strong for Benin where I come from. No be say my brothers go come dey guide me, they send me message say no pass that street again, no. If you tell me make we no pass one place again, I go tell my brothers, and my brothers go come give you warning. They go say you see this face, mark am.